Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be learning how to change the connected headphones or audio device in Spotify. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open the Spotify app from a mobile device and start playing any songs or podcast. This ensures Spotify is actively streaming audio. Next, connect your headphones to your device. If you're using Bluetooth headphones, go to your device's Bluetooth setting and pair the new headphones and make sure that they are selected as the current audio output. And once your headphones are connected, go back to the Spotify app. Once your devices are connected, you can play the song. And if you think you want to change the source of audio, you can simply pull down the notification bar where you will see the Spotify pop up. From here, you will see an option of earphone which is exactly above the play option. So when you tap on it, you will get the option of whether switching to earphone, your speaker, in my case it is named as S7, or directly from this phone's speaker. So now when I click on speaker, it will be changed to speaker. So that's it guys. Now you know how you can switch between different speakers or headphones seamlessly. So if you guys found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also don't forget to leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.